This tutorial will go over the basic operation of spColumn by covering example 6 from the spColumn manual, investigation of a rectangle short column. The problem formulation is to determine the adequacy of a 200 mm by 350 mm column with 6 15M bars. Note that since the least column dimension is less than 300 mm, the maximum section axial design capacity is capped in CSA A23.3-14 as required by clause 10.10.4. To begin, we're going to prepare the input. Go to Input, General Information. For the project labels, we'll use example 6. For the column, we'll use short. For the engineer, we'll use SP for StructurePoint. For the design code, we're going to choose CSA A23.3-14. For the units, we'll use metric. For the run option, we'll use investigation. For the run axis, we'll use about the x-axis. And for slenderness, we'll choose no. Choose OK. So here we get a warning, the spColumn design code has changed. And do we want to load the default combination factors for CSA A23.3-14? And we'll just choose yes. Alright, next we're going to go back to the input menu and choose material properties. And for concrete strength, we're going to use 30. And for reinforcing steel, we're going to use 400. Choose OK. Alright, back to the input menu. Choose section, rectangular. For the width, we're going to use 350 millimeters. And for the depth, we're going to use 200. Choose OK. Alright, next we're going to go to the options menu and choose reinforcement. And from the bar set drop-down menu, we're going to choose CSA G30.18. And we're going to choose OK. Alright, now back to the input menu, and we're going to choose reinforcement, sides different. Alright, for the number of bars for the top and bottom, we're going to put 3. And for the bar size, we're going to choose 15. And for the clear cover, we're going to put 50 millimeters. We're going to cover 2 longitudinal bars. Choose OK. Alright, to the input menu, we're going to choose loads, factored. Alright, for the load, we're going to put 500. And for the X moment, we're going to put 37.5. And we're going to choose insert. And then we're going to choose OK. Alright, now we're ready to solve, so go to the Solve menu and choose Execute. And here we have our interaction diagram. And if we want more detailed results, we can go to View, Results. And SP Results will bring up some text results for us. And if we want to print out our results, we can go to View, Reporter. And SP Reporter will help us print out a report. And we can print it out in different formats and with any of the information that we want. Thank you for watching, and check out our other tutorials. Links to them should be below the video. Thank you.